Hello everyone, I'm Steven and you're watching Steven Loves Science. Now this is a very special episode because we're going to do something that I've wanted to do for a while. And that is we're going to make our very own Dippin' Dots. Now just as a disclaimer, in order to do this we're going to need a very special ingredient. And that is liquid nitrogen. And with working with liquid nitrogen, it's always important that we have the proper PPE, or personal protective equipment. Okay, so that is my eye goggles, my gloves, and ideally a laboratory apron. Now it's important to have these safety precautions in place because liquid nitrogen boils at negative 196 degrees Celsius. For you science folk, that's 77 degrees Kelvin, and for you people less inclined to science, that's negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit. So in order to do this, what we need is liquid nitrogen, a few cups, styrofoam bowls, ice cream that has been melted, and syringes. So what I've done with the syringes is I filled them with these ice cream, and what we're going to do is we're eventually going to just put the dots of the ice cream into the bowl that has the liquid nitrogen. So if we want to bring the camera over here so we can actually look at the liquid nitrogen, a lot of you may wonder, where can I get this liquid nitrogen? Okay, you can get liquid nitrogen at most welding supply stores, and there's a company called Airgas that has distribution centers all around the country. Okay, that's personally where I got mine. So we're going to begin by pouring our liquid nitrogen, okay, very carefully into our bowl. You can see that it's going to spurt around everywhere. Okay? But eventually it'll calm down. Okay, perfect. So now I have some liquid nitrogen in my bowl, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of our syringes and I'm just going to start to make dots and just drop bits of the ice cream into our liquid nitrogen bath. We look down, we can see the liquid is here, and we're taking our syringes and gradually dripping the ice cream into the bowl. So we can see here after a few minutes of doing our process of dripping, we begin to get some of our Dippin' Dots to accumulate here. I'm just collecting them. So as we can see, at this point they're very cold, so we're going to want to wait for them to cool down significantly. You can see we just put some liquid nitrogen on the table. It's just gonna scurry off. So we can also freeze other things, such as my favorite, whipped cream. And when we freeze the whipped cream, we're gonna get a very interesting texture, fluffy, aerated product. I'm gonna pour some of the liquid nitrogen in our bowl. So we're gonna dispense our whipped cream now into the liquid nitrogen. What we should get here, now pour some of the liquid nitrogen over on top of our whipped cream. If we give it enough time, it's very interesting. It is very interesting flavored whipped cream that actually has a crunch to it. I'm going to give some to my cameraman, who's actually my little brother, Brett. Thank you for recording today, Brett. Take it.
I'll pass. What does it taste like? Like those crunchy cookies? Is it really cold?
No, it tastes really good.
Like, does it taste kind of a little piece?
No. Alright everyone, that's all for now. Thanks for watching Steven Loves Science, and happy holidays.